Hello students, welcome to all of you Shiksha 360. And in this session, basically we will discuss the LRBQ part 2. Clear? That is basically part 2. And that is basically belongs from the chapter number 49 and 50. That is basically from the module D. And in this session, basically we have to discuss 16 more questions from 17 to 32. Clear? In the part 1, basically we have discussed the chapter number 3rd questions. Clear? So let's start our discussion, and I request to all of you please participate. And for any doubt, basically you can comment in the comment section. Basically we will check, and later on basically we will discuss also. Clear? So let's start our discussion without wasting much time. So question number 17, basically first of all presents on your screens now. So in the case of a partnership firm, clear, in the case of the partnership firm, basically which of the following is not correctly matched? Clear? Basically we have to find that basically which of the following is not correctly matched. First one is the persons who enter into partnership with one another are individually called partners. This one is correct one. Clear? All are basically in the firm, partnership firm, basically all are partners with respect to each other. The persons who enter into partnership with one another are collectively called firm. Clear? So all the partners, they are basically into a partnership that is basically known as a partnership firm or firm. This one is also correct one. Clear? Basically we have to find that incorrect. Third one is the name under which their business is carried. It is called the firm name. Yes, we can say that, like we can say that Radhe Shyam Enterprises. Okay, like this one. Clear? So basically this is what, basically this is the name of the firm. Clear? The name under which their business is carried, it is called the firm name. Yes, this one is also correct one. Last one is that is the firm is a separate legal entity, basically separate from the partners. Basically we have already discussed. Clear? Firm, it is not a legal entity. Clear? That is separate from its partner. Clear? Company, it is a separate legal entity, but not the firm. Clear? Here if they word the use the word company, then it is the correct one. Here they use the word partnership firm or firm. So this one is the wrong one. So this one is our answer. Clear? So this one is our answer. That is the company is a separate legal entity. Basically, the firm is a separate legal entity, basically separate from their partner. This one is wrong one. Clear? This statement is to be wrong here. Okay. Now move to the next question. Question number 18. 3 partners have joined together to share the profits and the returns from the property. Clear? Basically 3 partners have joined together to share the profits and the returns basically arising from the property. Now basically we have to find that basically which one is the correct one. Clear? Which one is the correct? Basically with respect to this statement, the persons shall be called partners. The group of these persons shall be collectively called firm. The name under which they will carry the transaction shall be called the firm name. It is not a partnership firm, since they shall not carry on any business. Clear? Shall they cannot carry on any business. Clear? 3 persons have joined together. Clear? What they say that basically 3 persons have joined together to share the profits and the returns basically arising from the property. Clear? Basically what we want to say that basically they are purchasing the property. Clear? And from that basically they are doing. Clear? Basically from that property, basically they are not doing any business. Like basically we can say that they are not opening any restaurant there, they are not opening any resort there. Clear? Or any other work. Clear? Basically they are not doing from that property. Clear? So basically if they are not doing any work from, or basically do not any business, clear, from that specific thing. Clear? So that will not be considered under the partnership. Clear? That will be not considered under the partnership. Clear? So option number D is the answer. It is not a partnership firm, since they shall not carry on any business. Clear? Basically it is not a partnership firm, since they shall not carry on any business. Clear? Since they shall not carry on any business. So option number D is the correct answer here. Clear? Option number D is the correct answer here. It is not a partnership firm, since they shall not carry on any business. Clear? So this one is the answer, option number D. Now move to the next question, question number 19. When no provision is made, clear, basically when no provision is made by a contract between the partners about the duration of a partnership. I think basically this is the types of partnership. We are under chapter 49. Clear? Types of partnership. Clear? Basically, when no provision is made by a contract between the partners about the duration of a partnership, clear? Basically, about the duration of a partnership, then basically what it is known as, clear? Then basically what it is known as. So option number A is partnership for an unlimited period, partnership for a limited period, partnership at will. Fourth one is basically particular partnership. Clear? Fourth one is particular partnership. Clear? So what is the meaning of that? Clear? Basically, there's not anything mentioned. Clear? Basically, up to how much time? Clear? So basically, we can say that basically it depends upon the partners. In simple language, we can say that basically it depends upon the partners, basically for how much time basically they have to continue. Clear? That is basically known as option number C, that is partnership at will. Clear? So the correct answer for this question is to be that is partnership at will. Clear? So option number C is the correct answer, that is partnership at will. This one is the answer. Now move to the next question, question number 20. If a partnership is for a fixed period, clear? Basically, if a partnership is for a fixed period and it is continued, clear? Basically, if a partnership is basically for a fixed period and it is continued even after the fixed period, clear? And it is continued even after the fixed period, clear? So then what will happen? Clear? If a partnership is for a fixed period and it is continued, clear? Even after the fixed period, clear? So basically it becomes eligible relationship. It is converted into a partnership at will. Third one here, that is it becomes partnership for unlimited period and it becomes a particular partnership. Clear? It becomes a particular partnership. Clear? So what is the correct answer? Clear? So what is the correct answer of this question? Clear? So if a partnership is basically for a fixed period and it is continued even after the fixed period. Clear? If a partnership it is basically for a fixed period, so basically it is like we can say that basically it is even continued after that period. Clear? That is, it becomes on the depends upon the partners. Clear? Basically it depends upon the partners for how much time basically they will have to continue. Clear? Basically for how much time they will have to continue, that is basically it depends upon their will. Clear? That is, it is converted into a partnership at will. Clear? It is converted into a partnership at will. Clear? So please remember these points. Clear? So basically later on basically it is converted into a partnership at will. Clear? So option number B is the correct answer, that is it is converted into a partnership at will. Now move to the next question, question number 21. So which of the following basically is correct in the context of partnership forms? Clear? Which of the following is correct in the context of the partnership forms? Clear? So let's try to discuss one by one. If one partner cheats a customer of the firm, other partners are not liable. What is that? This one is correct or not? Clear? Even if the one partner basically cheats a customer of the firm, clear? So other partners are not liable. This one is wrong. Clear? Other partners are to be liable. Clear? Are to be liable. Is correct. Clear? So option number A is not the answer. Clear? Because we have to find that which of the following is correct. For a partnership, it is compulsory to prepare a partnership deed. Clear? Basically for a partnership, it is compulsory to prepare a partnership deed. Clear? So it basically depends upon the partner. Clear? It is basically depends upon the partner, basically whether they want to formulate a partnership deed or not. Clear? So option number B is also not the correct answer. Clear? It basically depends upon the partner. Third one here, that is the partners can freely decide their mutual rights and liabilities. Clear? The partners basically can freely decide their mutual rights and liabilities. This one is the correct one. Clear? Basically by the consent of, clear? By the consent of all the partners. Clear? Basically by the consent of all the partners, basically they can decide their mutual rights and liabilities. Clear? So this one is the correct one. Clear? This one is the correct one, that is by the consent of. Clear? So that the partners can freely decide their mutual rights and liabilities. Clear? So this one is the correct one. Clear? Basically we have to find that. Clear? But we have to go with the option number D also. The nature of the business of the firm can be changed only with the majority of the partners. Clear? With the majority of the partners. Clear? So basically it is not like that. With the consent of the majority of the partners. Clear? Basically it depends upon the consent of all. Clear? Basically it is depends upon the consent of the all, because they want to change the business. Clear? They want to change their business. Clear? So option number C is the correct answer. Clear? As per the given option, this one is the most accurate answer. Now move to the next question, question number 22. So XYZ basically have entered into a partnership for carrying on a specific venture. Clear? Basically for carrying on a specific venture, or we can say that basically for carrying on a specific business. Not business, basically specific, we can say that specific targeted work. Specific venture, we can say that specific targeted work. Clear? So that is basically it is called as general partnership, partnership at will, partnership for a fixed period, or a particular partnership. Clear? Or a particular partnership. Clear? So what is the correct answer? This is basically for a specific target. Basically they want to improve, we can say that a partnership, that is basically known as the particular partnership. Clear? That is basically known as the particular partnership. So option number D is the answer. That is the particular partnership. Clear? So option number D is the correct answer. Particular partnership. Now move to the next question, question number 23. Which of the following, clear? Basically which of the following is part of general duty of a partner? Clear? Basically which of the following is part of general duty of a partner? First one is partner should make secret profits. Partner should be just and faithful to each other. Clear? First one is basically partner should make secret profits. Second one is basically partner should be just and faithful to each other. Third one here, that is partner should render true accounts of the business. Fourth one here, that is partner should disclose full information of all the things affecting the firm. Clear? Partner should disclose full information of all the things basically affecting the firm to all the partners. But in case of death of any of them, not to the legal heirs. Clear? Basically, but not to the legal heirs. Clear? So basically, but in case of death of any them, not to the legal heirs. Clear? So which of the following basically it is a general duty of a partner? Clear? Basically this is under the chapter number 50. Clear? Basically under the chapter number 50, basically we have discussed these things. Clear? Basically what are the duties, rights and duties, clear, of the partner? Clear? In a partnership firm. Clear? In a partnership firm, basically what are the rights and duties? Clear? So partner should make secret profits. Partners should be just and faithful to each other. Partner should render true accounts of the business, or partner should disclose full information of all the things basically affecting the firm to the partners. But in the case of death of any of them, not to their legal heirs. Clear? Basically not to their legal heirs. Clear? So what is the correct answer? Option number D is the correct answer. Clear? Option number D is the correct answer here. Clear? This is basically come under the general duty. Clear? So option number D is the correct answer here. Clear? So please go through theory points properly. Only after that, basically you are able to answer these types of questions. Clear? Please go through the theory points properly. Clear? Now move to the next question, question number 24. If one partner of a firm basically cheats a customer, clear? Basically one partner of a firm basically cheats a customer, which of the following is not correct? Clear? Basically we have to find that which of the following is not correct here. First one is all the partners are liable for the loss to the customer. The partners that has cheated the customer, clear? The partner that has cheated the customer is liable to other partners for loss to them. Only the partner who has cheated the customer, clear? Only the partner who has cheated the customer is liable to the customer. None of the above. Clear? Basically none of the above. Clear? What is the correct answer? We have to find that which one of the following is not correct. Clear? Basically which one of the following is not correct. Clear? So all the partners are liable for the loss to the customer. This one is the correct one. The partner that has cheated the customer is liable to other partners for loss to them. Clear? The partner that has cheated the customer is liable to other partners for loss to them. This one is also correct one. Only the partner who has cheated the customer is liable to the customer. This one is not correct. Only the partner who has cheated the customer is liable to the customer. It is not correct. Clear? So option number C is the answer here. Clear? Option number C is the answer. That is only the partner who has cheated the customer is liable to the customer. This one is a false. Clear? This one is a false or not correct. Clear? So this one is our answer. Clear? So this one is our answer. Now move to the next question. The difference between partners. Clear? The difference between partners on the matters. Clear? The difference between partners on the matters relating to the business of a partnership firm can be decided by. Clear? How it can be decided by. Clear? The difference between partners on the matters basically relating to the business of the partnership firm basically can be decided by. First one is majority of the partners. If it is an ordinary matter, and all the partners, if it is related to the change in the business of the firm. Clear? This thing basically we have already discussed in one of the question. Clear? Previous question. Clear? So majority of the partners basically if it is an ordinary matter, and all the partners basically if it relates to the change in the business of the firm. Second one is all the partners basically for all matters. C option is basically majority of the partners basically for all matters. D option is all the above are correct. Clear? Basically D option is all the above are correct. Clear? So what is the correct answer? Clear? So what is the correct answer here? So the difference between the partners. Clear? The difference between partners on the matters relating to the business of the partnership firm basically it can be decided by option number A is the correct answer. That is majority of the partners. Clear? Basically it can be decided by the majority of the partners if it is an ordinary matter, and all the partners basically if it relates to the change in the business of the firm. Clear? And all the partners basically if it relates to the change in the business of the firm. Clear? So option number A is the correct answer. Clear? Option number A is the correct answer here. Now move to the next question. Question number 26. If a partner has contributed. Clear? Basically if a partner has contributed extra capital. Clear? Basically if a partner has contributed extra capital, then he is entitled to. Clear? Basically then he is entitled to. Option number A is no interest. Option number B is interest at prevailing bank rate. Option number C is 6% interest. Option number D is 10% interest. Clear? So what is the correct answer? Clear? If a partner has contributed extra capital. Clear? So he is entitled to no interest, interest at prevailing bank rate, 6% or 10%. Clear? So what is the correct answer? That is option number C is the correct answer. That is 6%. Clear? So then he is entitled to basically 6%. Clear? So option number C is the correct answer. 6%. Now move to the next question. Question number 27. Which of the following is correct? Clear? This one is also chapter number 50. Which of the following is correct regarding the mutual rights and obligations of the partners? Clear? Which of the following is correct basically regarding the mutual rights and obligations of the partners? Clear? First one is partners are entitled to remuneration for taking part in conducting business of the firm. Partners have always equal share in the profit and loss of the firm. If a partner is entitled to interest on capital, it will be paid only out of profits of the firm. Fourth one is a firm is not required to indemnify a partner for the payments basically made by him on behalf of the firm. Clear? Basically on behalf of the firm. Clear? Indemnify, that is basically protect, we can say that. Clear? So what is the correct answer? Which of the following is correct basically regarding the mutual rights and obligations of the partner? Clear? Which of the following is correct? Clear? As we have already gone through the mutual rights and obligations. So partners have always equal share? No. Basically it depends upon their share in the firm. Partners are entitled to remuneration, that is basically they are taking salary? No. If a partnership is entitled to take interest on the capital, it will be paid only out of the profits of the firm. This one is the correct one. Clear? If a partner is entitled to interest on the capital, it will be paid only out of the profits of the firm. This one is the correct here. Clear? So option number C is the answer. Now move to the next question, question number 28. If it comes to the notice of the partners of the firm that one of the partners is carrying on a business, clear, that is basically one of the partners basically is carrying on a business, that it is a competing business basically with the firm, clear, that it is a competing business basically with the firm, clear. So if it comes to the notice of the partners of the firm that one of the partner is basically carrying on business, clear, basically that is a similar type of business or basically that gives competition to the firm, clear. So what they will do here, clear, so in that case basically what they will do here, the said partner basically has to close that business. The said partner has to merge this business with the business of the firm. If separate business is continued, clear, basically if separate business is continued and there are profits, clear, basically if separate business is continued and there are basically profits from the said business, clear, the profit had to be shared with the other partners. Fourth one is the said partner has to undertake the close business in a period fixed by them for all, clear, the undertake to close the business, clear. So in this type of question, clear, what is the correct answer, clear, what is the correct answer, that is option number C, clear. Basically if a separate business is continued and there are profits basically from the said business, then the profits have to be shared with the other partners, clear. So in that case basically the profit had to be shared with the other partners, clear. So option number C is the correct answer, clear, option number C is the correct answer. And I request to all of you, please go through the theory portion first, clear, only after that basically this is beneficial, clear. Theory portion is already uploaded in your legal LRAB group, clear. Now move to the next question, question number 29. In the case of a partnership firm, all the partners play a due role of, clear, basically in the case of the partnership firm, all the partners basically play a dual role of, clear. So what is the dual role of, clear? So first one is the principal and other one is the agent, clear. Please remember that in the partnership firm, one partner we can say that it is a principal and other one is the agent, clear. So basically they will play a dual role of principal and agent, clear, basically they will play the dual role of principal and agent. So this one is the answer, clear. Option number B is the answer, that is principal and agent, clear, that is basically principal and agent, clear. So option number B is the answer, clear. In case of a partnership firm, basically all the partners basically play a dual role of principal and agent. Now move to the next question, question number 30th. When a partner acts for the business of the firm, clear, basically when a partner acts for the business of the firm on behalf of all the partners, clear, when a partner basically acts for the business of the firm on behalf of all the partners, it is called, clear, on behalf of all the partners, basically it is called, first one is express authority of the partner, B option is basically authority of a partner, C option is basically implied authority of a partner, D option is any of the above, clear, basically D option is any of the above, clear. So what is the correct answer, clear? So when a partner basically acts for the business of the firm on behalf of all the partners, basically on behalf of all the partners, clear, then what it is called, clear? So basically it is called as the implied authority of a partner, clear, basically it is implied, it is basically known to be as the implied authority of the partner, basically as per the partnership act, clear, as per the partnership act. So option number C is the correct answer, clear. So can anyone tell basically Indian Partnership Act basically enacted in which year? Please tell in the comment section, basically Indian Partnership Act basically enacted in which year? Clear. Now move to the next question, question number 31. The partners can use their implied authority, clear, which we have already discussed, in respect of the which of the following, clear, the partners basically can use their implied authority basically in respect of to open a bank account of the firm in their own name. This one is wrong, clear. To open the bank account of the firm basically in their own name, this one is wrong, clear. account is to be opened in the name of the partnership firm, and at that time basically all the partners are to be present here or as per the partnership deed. Clear? Next one, give a guarantee on behalf of the firm. Basically when the business is to give guarantees, withdrawal of a court case basically instituted by the firm, or compromise a claim basically receivable by a firm. Clear? Or compromise a claim basically receivable by a firm. Clear? So the most accurate, that is option number B, that is clear. They can give guarantee on behalf of the firm. Clear? Basically give guarantee basically on behalf of the firm when the business is to give the guarantees. Clear? Basically when the business is to give the guarantees. Clear? So option number B is the answer, that is give a guarantee basically on behalf of the firm when the business is to give guarantees. Clear? Basically when the business is to give a guarantees. Clear? So option number B is the correct answer. Clear? Now move to the last question of our today's discussion. Which of the following action basically cannot be taken by a partner by using his implied authority? Clear? Basically by using his implied authority. Clear? So these are all the functions. Clear? Basically what is the partner can do? Clear? Basically what is the partner can do as given by the implied authority? Clear? Implied authority. Clear? As the power. Clear? This is basically from the chapter number 51. Clear? To appoint another person as agent. Clear? Basically to appoint another person as agent for the business of the firm, basically to sell the immovable property basically belonging to the firm, to submit a dispute relating to firm business basically for the arbitration, or none of the above. Clear? Basically or none of the above. Clear? Which of the following action cannot be taken by a partner by using his implied authority? Clear? To appoint another person, this one is not. To sell the immovable property basically belonging to the firm. Clear? This one they can do also to appoint another person. Clear? To appoint another person. This one basically they can also do. Clear? To sell the immovable property basically belong, or to submit a dispute. Clear? Relating to the firm. Clear? Basically we are find that we cannot be taken. Clear? Basically we have to find that cannot be taken. Clear? So option number D is the answer, that is none of the above. Clear? Basically none of the above. Arbitration basically means, what is the meaning of arbitration? One student has that is basically for the settlement. Clear? Basically for the settlement of the dispute. Clear? Basically for the settlement of the dispute. Clear? So hope all the points are clear to all of you regarding all these questions. And if you have any doubt, any query, you can ask your doubt clear in the comment section. Basically we will check and will guide you according to that. Clear? For all the subjects, basically for the PPB accounts and legal classes are going on, you can join the classes and get the benefit of these classes, and it helps you to clear the examination basically in the upcoming event attempt, basically if you cover the topics properly as per the lectures provided by the institution. So thanks to all of you for joining this session.